Can LLC accounts have beneficiaries? No. An LLC itself does not allow you to name beneficiaries the way you can with a personal bank account or life insurance policy. The ownership of an LLC is defined by membership interests, which are laid out in the operating agreement and state filings. When an owner passes away, what happens to their share is determined by the operating agreement, or, if none exists, by state law. For example, some LLC operating agreements specify that the ownership interest transfers to heirs, while others may require remaining members to buy out the deceased owner's share. If no agreement is in place, state law may require dissolution or pass the interest through probate, which can be complicated for the heirs. To ensure smooth succession, LLC owners often combine an operating agreement with estate planning tools, such as a will or trust. That way, their membership interest can transfer as intended, even if the LLC itself doesn't name a direct beneficiary. Zen Business can help set up your LLC with a solid operating agreement that includes succession planning for your heirs. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.